What am I? Truth answers every call we make to God, responding first with miracles, and then returning unto us to be itself. Of course it answers your call because you're willing to answer it. You're accepting the unification of yourself and of all that is. No longer calling upon something separate. While you, of course, think of yourself as separate, it's perfectly acceptable at those times. But when you are ready to recognize beyond yourself, and it's no longer scary, it's no longer death, it's no longer suffering, and all you see is the truth of who you are, reflected in all the world, in all your brothers. You allow yourself to drift into it, to surrender to it, and become the expression of God on earth, as it has been sought for eons, as the stories have been told, waiting for you to make this decision. As every mind will speak the name of Christ, accepting it for themselves as ourself, revealing the transparent and illuminated reality of who we always have been and always will be, regardless of dreams and fantasies that we experience, going down any road of any dimension. We are safe, we are whole, and we are one. Don't be afraid to call. Don't be afraid to pray. Don't be afraid. There's no reason to be afraid. Just recognize that what you call to and what you pray to is right here. And it might not make sense and it might be confusing, but it will always come clear when you accept the answer, for the answer has always been offered.